Back in the day, maybe still do, but the Yardbirds played here. I was a kid, and we saw movies in there. Now it's just a stop on a cruise ship. Steps down into the water.
Okay. Yes. Every time come and go here. That's all right. I'm pretty warm-blooded. If it's above 60, I'm usually diving.
Don't follow. So we turned off the oceanfront walkway, pedestrian walkway, and we're going to explore the interior of the island. And this is where a lot of the tours go out of. They bring buses in here and whatnot. There used to be a miniature golf course up here. Oh, there still is. Golf Gardens, mini golf. We came up this peaceful little street. Vaughn's is right down there. Into a construction zone. So we're going to walk up east of the golf course, which is right up here, another half a mile. Look, Janice waiting. Wrigley Memorial Botanic Garden. Adult camp area, horseback riding, hospital. You didn't need me to read that sign to you, but I did. Looks like a fire station over there. For some reason, these people, oh, I see, they're doing chalk on the sidewalk. That's why they're in the middle of the sidewalk playing. Playground. So these are climbing poles? Huh. Squishy. Welcome, 5 to 12 years old. Oh, look, they got exercise machines. All right, so there was the park, and there's the fire station, and there's the golf course, of course. We're going to take this road up a little piece further. A lot of golf carts here, a lot of golf carts, and bicycles, and just people walking. That's years worth of horse manure. Well, I guess there's not too many horseback tours going on today.
There's a squirrel.
Giddy up. Well, we've been coming up along the golf course, around the bend, and this used to be a bird farm. That was a big aviary. See that? But it's been out of business for years now. But I do remember visiting it. See, Bird Park. Not Burt Parks. Bird Park. And they still have soda machines here. And they're operating. And a candy machine. There must still be something going on here. Private property, no trespassing. Oh, that still is fenced, so aviary. By the way, $3 for a Coke. And random prices for this. So it's 50 Cheetos baked, not fried. Look at this little plum tree. Anyway, there's a path up here. So there's the golf course, and up at the end of this street is the botanical garden. But we're not going to walk up there, although you could see it in one of our other videos. We went up there. Giant eucalyptus. Well, there it is. I don't need to move this around. You can just put your finger on the screen and move it around. But we're back to the water shuttle dock, at least right up there. If you look carefully, you can see the ship off in the distance. And if you look not so carefully, you can see Janet off in the distance. And Jules on this side. So from Avalon on Santa Catalina Island, we're Mort Monkeys. Yeah, I'm Garrett.
I'm Janet.
I'm Jules.